Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto my channel, guys. I hope that everyone is good. I'm good, man. I'm good. It's just the flu was trying to bomber me downstairs, but unfortunately, ke kgotlile and ke sharp and ha ho kgonahale. But anyway, this is what I wanted to talk about, and I've once spoken or said something about these dating shows, but check out these clips and then we'll talk.
Same price into high. Ufuna inkomo ezifana uzakavule kuzefuna ingane. Into enjalo nje ya sezangavisisi kahle.
And then ikepisi yona ula ngikepisi nakini endlini.
Ngandifike.
Huh? But don't take manners mos wena mali tata. Tata makuhlapile na wena. Ungalili kubo nje tata ubona mako. Ungishilile mako. Eme tata kobona athi. Tata what's kitchen. Ntate mudi lama sen Jesus. Kibona ki Tata nitula olibona nitula tata ba utopile kae katwe. Ho gotlemo. Ai wena ngikisika sio wena ngitsela mabudi. Ai rekikenya di bread tse ke bone le ntole one sans. Ke montse kepisi because ne ke batla go
with my person, being sport with my person, being sporty with my person.
Do you like jogging? You don't like jogging?
When do you like jogging?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
You you are fit for jogging. My babu. Umjetsang. Ako tenagan sa 360 mo. My. Kiana mo twaka o. Kiana o.
Yeah.
Kiana is very open.
I know what you understand. Jesus. Kisir Ramaphosa. Ndati waka. Aleka utotane kimutu. Otamaye ka chobane ka thola accident khali. Ke a ukreya mndende. Utla booster mo shotang kona. Akabereka ko di PM.
Just an accident ref yona. It's a sweet. Khale property.
Kinte khali.
Na yeah. Accident car. No na 2000 kwa ba uji.
She,
What are the peanuts? What are the Obviously, Uto provide a guy and that why of which that why what's my man at the end.
Okay, that's a show that is on Imoja Lavo, if I'm not mistaken, DSTV. That is a show called Choose My Ketela. Shoot, it's a dating show. Almost, it's more or less similar to Single and Mingling. Yeah, yeah, man. Truth be told, with Lama suitors that this lady was going to see, I am not shocked. I am not surprised. I'm just not, man. I've once said this thing, Yoguti. These shows, you go there at your own risk, because uzofika lapha usicuphile umuhle and ugrandi. Beglethele yo. This lady even said, "Mara usibhekile kahle, ngibhekile kahle." That guy was dirty. He looked dirty. Amabhonzi ngathi namazipha kanqumanga and ugqoke namancaps. Angifuni nokukhuphuka. I don't even want to talk about ihaircut, ekhanda. I wonder ukuthi benuka na kanjani. Lapha with all the suitors that you saw there, akekho newana all put together. And now this makes me think, are these dating shows even taking us serious? As much as this lady is asking this guy ukuthi umbhekile yena kahle, lama show now ayasibheka thina kahle bafethu. Yes, they have to produce content. Yes, they need ukuzama mhlawumbe push ama seasons and stuff like that in order to have long seasons and all of that. But why kanje? Bafethu yazi, it's better to put out into a quality than to do something like this. Because another thing, this can also kill the show. Because kokunye futhi manje, even with me, mina, I think I still want to go and date my family. But however, now this can even kill the show in a sense. People will even end up getting to a point with, no, I'm not even going to bother writing for that show or to that show. I want to meet a potential partner or something like that, because that show honestly does not take people serious. It does not. You understand? So I do not know. Honestly speaking, I do not know. Tell me what you think about this whole video down below. Would you go to a dating show, these dating shows, and how would you react in a situation like this? The situation that this lady was in. Because honestly speaking, where do they even get these people? Yo.